The lower blower tube is your blower's outlet tube. The lower tube will tend to get rubbed along the ground with normal use. Over time, the tube will begin to wear away. This can cause reduced performance. Replacing the lower tube is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
Replacing the lower tube is a very easy repair to do. I'll start by removing the old tube. To do that, I twist the tube to unlock it, and now I can pull the lower tube free from the upper tube. To install the new tube, I align the slot with the tab, push the tube in as far as it'll go, and then rotate the tube clockwise until it locks in place. And that's how simple it is to replace your blower's lower blower tube. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.